What's up guys, this is Rani. Welcome back to tutorial 6, and this tutorial will be going to talk about how to change or how to set the background style for bokeh plots. So in the last tutorial we have seen how to change or how to set the default style for title. Means you have created one, for example you have created one plot, and inside a plot you put some sort of title. Now you want to change the style of that title element. So we have seen that, and in this tutorial we'll be going to see how to change or how to set the default background style for the plot. Okay, so for that thing, let's see what we have in the slide. So this is very generic thing. What is bokeh? Next is link. I always going to put that, don't worry about that if you are not familiar with the link. Then next thing is how to do the background styling. So it's very little documentation. Again, I took this thing from the official documentation. This is just a copy paste from the official documentation. That is why I'm saying, guys, please go through the documentation. You will get to know so many different things, and definitely it will help you to become a good programmer or engineer, whatever. Okay, so the background fill style is controlled by background fill color and background fill alpha. So there are two attributes are required to do some sort of styling for the background element, and these two things are background fill color and background fill alpha of the properties of the plot object. So we'll see how to do that. Okay, so let me minimize this thing and let me just put one name over here. This will be tutorial 6, how to set or how to change background style for bokeh plot. Okay, then this will be like this. Okay, again this will be very this is going to be very small and kind of fast tutorial. There is not much to discuss, so let me just start the first line for, now. So it will be from bokeh dot plotting. What happened? Okay, bokeh dot plotting, not sure what is happening. Should be import, then first thing will be figure, then next thing will be show, and another thing will be output underscore file. Okay, so why this is taking that much time? Okay, done. So then will be test underscore plot, so it should be figure. Okay, like this, and after that we'll create output file, going to be tutorial 6.html. okay, and next thing will be test dot plot dot line. We are going to create a line plot, so that is very generic till now. Whatever tutorial we have seen, everywhere use this thing only. Okay, so then it will be 10, 20, 40, 60. Then let's say line underscore color equals to maybe let's say green. Okay, and after that show, and you have to put test underscore, it should be test underscore plot. Okay, test underscore plot. Okay, so if I run this thing, it will open a new HTML file with the name of tutorial 6, and we'll see this points will be kind of plotted against this point, and the color will be green. Okay, so that is expected, usual thing. Test plot I did some mistake here, so it's normal. Again I did a mistake. Okay, I did a mistake of green. Okay, cool. So let's see. Okay, it is getting loaded. Let's see. This is taking some time, not sure why. Maybe I need to restart my machine or browser. Still not getting loaded. This is very strange actually. I never seen this thing before, but it's loaded. So 2, 4, 6, 8 all are expected, and the color is green. So if you see here, the background is kind of white. Now I need to change this background to something different. So how to do that? Okay, so this is maybe without background styling. And now we'll do something with background styling. So let me just do something over here like this and like this, like this, and probably we can create something. Let me open the documentation. So the background styling will be done by background underscore fill underscore color background underscore fill underscore alpha properties of the plot object. So in our case, what will be the plot object? In our case, plot object will be this one. So test underscore plot dot what it is saying, background, let me open this thing, background underscore fill underscore color. So there is something else also, you can check it, or what are the different things, how to find that. So let me show you guys over here, test underscore plot, this is a plot object. So if you want to check the properties, you just do this thing here, so it will give you what are the different properties are here. So plot height, plot this, okay, so many properties are there. So let's try to find something for background. I'm just trying to find where is the background. Let me search this thing. Yes, it is here actually, background fill color, right? We'll see this thing. Okay, so one is background fill color as per this thing, and one is background fill alpha. Okay, there should be some sort of value for transparency. So let me just copy this thing. Okay, so test plot. Okay, so let me change this thing. So our background is, maybe we can make it, I'm just thinking what could be, let's make it blue actually. So this is green, so let's blue with blue. I think let's make it red. Okay, let's see how it looks now. Okay, so see, it's blue and this is like this. Okay, so let me do something, let me change the alpha of this thing. So for changing the alpha, maybe just copy this thing. Okay, and after that, so as I told you guys, I got to know about this attribute by reading the documentation. So if you do not know the documentation, or if you do not read the documentation, we will not develop this thing. Okay, so you have to read the documentation. Okay, so maybe I can put 0.8. Let's run this thing. Let's see what changed. See, if you see here, the color is actually a bit like a bit lighter now. Okay, so let me make it something 9. It should be more lighter now. So it is more lighter now. If it is very dark, here's something else, here's something else, like this. So maybe I can try with something else as well. So I don't know whether this will work or not, but let me try actually. Okay, so that there is no matter. So what is that? So next thing, we can change this thing to blue too. Maybe we can put this thing gray. So let's see how it looks now. So it's fine. Okay, so we got a new learning today, like how to change your background color and other things. So in the background there are many things, too many other things as well. So for example, if you open this thing, you can see here some grid lines are here, and grid line colors are actually white. So how to change those sort of color, and how to do some sort of customization on top of this grid line. Now grid lines are white, and you can make them invisible and visible as well, depending on audio requirement, and you can change this line widths and other things as well. So all these things will be covered in the subsequent future tutorial. I'm just wanted to make a point, guys, here, that these tutorials might be very like small and precise, but the context of this tutorials are very essential in terms of data visualization or for your journey towards machine learning engineer or maybe data science engineer, whatever. So if you do not know the basics of this thing, you will not be able to understand the operation flow in the future. So you have to understand this thing, you have to practice all these sort of things, then only you can go ahead and start working with the live data set or maybe semi-live data set. Semi-live data set means if the data set is not kind of a production category data set, but it is more or less same to the production level data set. Okay, so that's it guys. Please let me know by some sort of feedback or comment how you guys are enjoying this series, and if it is actually adding any value for your learning or not. Also you can send me some sort of feedback or suggestion if you want us to change something within this course or within this tutorial, or if you have any special use case which you want us to cover in our topic. Please feel free to write all these things. I'll try to answer and add all those things in our future videos. And my one and only humble request and recommendation is, guys, please just don't just watch my videos. Actually try to do some sort of practice, try to do documentation. This will actually help you. Watching my videos are not going to help you. It will only give you some sort of intuition, but if you want to develop yourself as a machine learning engineer or data scientist, then you should do some sort of practice as well. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.